clothing. So, what kind of clothes do you typically wear in the summer? What kind of clothes do you typically wear during the winter months? And so, for example, here in Texas in the summer, I'm usually in shorts and t-shirts. In the winter, maybe jeans and a light jacket. Like it doesn't get that cold here. This is where you really start to see differences in culture depending on where you live. Um, in terms of clothing. So, like, for example, in northern latitudes, like in Canada, Minnesota, Ohio, okay, like the states that are in the north, in the summer, right, maybe shirts and t-shirt, but in the winter, heavy coats, fur-lined boots. I mean, it's the clothing definitely is different depending on where you live regionally within the United States. Even within Texas, I've noticed that in the winter, if I go to Austin, it can be a lot colder than it is in Houston. So, what do you typically wear in the summer months? What do you typically wear in the winter months? And please include pictures for each. Thank you.